What is up? Welcome to Adobe Live and today's Masterclass for Adobe Express. If we are just meeting, my name is Katrina Torrijos and I am the Adobe Express evangelist as well as a content creator on Twitch and YouTube. So for today's masterclass, we will be talking about how to create a brand for your small business using Adobe Express. This week is National Small Business Week in the US, so I thought it'd be fitting if we just dedicate this masterclass to all of my small business owners and solopreneurs out there. But before we get into it, let's say what's up to chat. Hello, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday. How was your week? And also, do you have weekend plans? My week was pretty busy with streams as per usual. And I'm so excited because today I'm actually going to an art show to support my cousin. And I'm also going to watch Doctor Strange this weekend. Any Marvel fans out there watching Doctor Strange? I'm with you. No spoilers in chat, please. But hello, Cody. Hi, General Kenobi. Hi, Robert. Hello, Barbara. How's it going? Hi, Sean. Hello. Hi, Robert. Did I say Robert already? Hello. How's it going? Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Wine is in my plans this weekend. Yes. Sean, amazing. Hi, Richard. Welcome to the stream. Hello. If you're just tuning in, I'll just say it again. Today we'll be creating a brand from scratch for a small business. And because this week is National Small Business Week. So I'm super excited. Also, let me know down below or I guess to the side if you're on Behance, or down below if you're on YouTube. Wherever the chat is, let me know if you are a small business owner or a solopreneur. I'd be so excited to know. And so we can get folks to check out your small business. While we're on that topic, if you are a solopreneur or a small business owner, Adobe wants to help you up-level, refresh, and redesign your brand through our Co-Create Small Business Program. I'm super excited they're having this program again this year, and it's just an amazing program to help you build your brand and also works with some really awesome industry leaders. All you have to do to apply to this program is to post a video to TikTok. Yes, TikTok, telling us about a creative challenge that you face in your business using the hashtag Adobe Co-Create so that we can find it. And you may also be selected for a $10,000 grant, mentorship to make magic happen, and a 1-year Adobe Express premium membership. So this is open to US residents only. So good luck. It's an amazing program. I've seen the mentors all over TikTok talking about how excited they are to mentor some of y'all. And it's just going to be amazing. I'm going to have Ahmad drop a link in chat to last year's program so you can see what kind of businesses went through the program and just so you can learn a little bit more about it. So with that said, we only have about an hour together today, so let's go ahead and just get started. So we are on the Adobe Express homepage. You know what it is. If you're new here, you can get here by going to express.adobe.com on your desktop, or we also have a mobile app and on iPad. And it is completely free to get started. All you need is an Adobe account, which is completely free to make. So once you get all that squared away, you can already get started and creating. So we are going to make a fictional small business mom and pop kind of brand today. I chose ramen because I've just been feeling ramen this week. I've had a lot of ramen this week, so it was the inspiration for today's fictional small business. And I feel like folks have a lot of they have the homemade what's it called, cookie business, or people make brownies and send it out and stuff, or stickers or whatever. But you know what? What about ramen kits? That would be so much fun, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to start off with making a logo. Oh, actually, I skipped a step. I wanted to show y'all something a little bit different rather than starting from the home page, actually. Ooh, I almost forgot. But some of y'all may know about this. But if it's brand new, I hope you get a kick out of this. So if you actually go to adobe.com/express/create/logo, I know, a long link. But if you Google like, oh, my Siri is talking. Whoa, that's strange. Okay. But if you go to this link, it'll actually bring up a page. So also if you just Google Adobe Express free logo maker, this page will pop up as well. And I'll take you to this landing page that just has a bunch of different logos and like logo templates that you can create from. So if you're logged in, you can actually pull up templates from here. And it's a secret page that almost like I feel like not a lot of people know about, but it is here. So if you're trying to make a logo from scratch, try to check this out. So let's actually go click on create your logo now. And then it pulls up a bit of a prompt. Oh, we have some people. We have Monica, Ariana, hello. Welcome to the stream. Now we'll go over in lurk mode. Yes, thank you so much for the lurk, Robert. Awesome. Okay. So it's going to give you these prompts and all you have, clearly, I did this already. I practiced. So it auto put in everything, but you just fill out these fields and then it's just a whole process here. I'll stop talking. Okay, so I put my ramen business. So you literally, if you put like the niche that you're in, I'm calling it Lucky Ramen. And then the slogan is not your average instant noodles. But like the slogan is optional. And you could have a slogan, but if you don't, you don't have to. I guess I have to put it in again. Okay. Not your average instant noodles. Okay, and then we're gonna hit next, and then you choose a style. So you can have decorative, modern, elegant, or bold. So you just click on the style that we want. We want some like bright colors, something cute. So we're gonna go with that, and then we're gonna choose an icon. So it pulls up the icon library here, and you can choose whatever icon you want. But you know, instead of like a ramen bowl, I kind of was thinking of like doing like the Chinese lucky cat. You know, that's kind of like the vibe that I kind of want. But we could also do the ramen bowl. I tried to make a lucky cat eating a ramen bowl, but it didn't work out very well. So we're gonna go with the lucky cat because they have cute little cat icons. So you just click on one, click next, and then it pulls up all the different logo ideas for you. So we have a bunch different styles, all different colors and different fonts. It's just amazing if you're creating a brand from scratch and you have no idea where to start with your logo. So this is just an amazing place to get some ideas going, getting some inspiration. And then if you don't see something that you like, you can switch to elegant, modern, or decorative, or you can change the symbol if you aren't too in love. I really like this one. This is cute. The cat is so cute. I love it. Okay. Let's go with this one. I like this one. And then so you can easily just download it as is, or you can like quickly like change the color or something like this. You could change the font for like quick edits, or you can customize it even more. And when you click on customize more, it saves the logo and then it boots us over to the editor. Let's go. Okay. And then we can just get rid of these tabs because we're going to have so many tabs open. Awesome. Okay, cool. So now we're just going to make this a little bit more packaging friendly. I feel like it's a bit text heavy. And I know I put the, I think the slogan is cute, but as part of the logo, I'm thinking like if it's small, like if I put it on a sticker or something, it'll be like really, kind of hard to read, or like a menu. So let's just get rid of that and then just see what we got here. We're going to start off with the logo, and then after that, we're going to go in and build the brand kit. So let's just edit the shape. Oh, and this, I could see it is an outdated shape because we don't have the customization. So let's get rid of it. If you notice a template has shapes or a basic shape that's not editable, you can just get rid of it and update it with the new basic shapes so that you can adjust like the line thickness, the fill, all that stuff. So that's what I've noticed with some of the templates, that sometimes the new basic shapes are not applied. So yeah. Oh, did I make it too big? Let's back it up. Let's do it like this. Let's start with this size, and then we're gonna have the cat. Let's just move it below the cat so we don't select the circle all the time. We're gonna select the cat layer. I'm gonna make it kind of big. This cat is so cute. I love it. Good tip. Thanks so much, Ariana. Okay. And then we'll have the Lucky Ramen. I kind of want to put the Lucky Ramen in a circle up here. I feel like it'll look so good. Because as I'm making this logo, I'm thinking of how it'll look like on a menu, how it'll look like on a business card, on a sticker, on packaging, like all that stuff. So I really want to make things look kind of, cool and legible. Ramen. Also, do we have any ramen fans in chat? I get this question a lot, but are you team ramen or team pho or like team other soup? Like any other soup that you like? I'm curious to know. We'll add the circle effect. Okay. And then we're just going to see if it kind of sort of lines up with this circle. Oh, it lines up pretty good. Huh. I like it. Okay, and then let's look at the fonts. Ooh, look at this font. Oh, I like this font. Ah, it looks so good. Let's do... We're not going to do Open Sans. We're fighting every urge in my being to not use Open Sans. Let me think. Harmon. Harmon sounds good. Harmon. Did I do that right? Harmon Sans regular. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is like the thickness that we want. The all my typography people. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I think. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good. And then I think I want the red background to be a little different, actually. Let's center this. And then when you're making a logo, try to take up as much of the canvas as you can so that, when you put it on projects and stuff, it won't get super, like, pixelated if you put it on, like, large, projects. So I am using what size is this canvas? This canvas is, it's the 1080 by 1080, which is, I think, the same as the logo canvas size. So if you are putting your logo on a really big print project, like a poster or maybe a t-shirt or something, or magazine, something quite large than a social post, consider making your logo like canvas size a bit bigger so that you don't get anything, so that it doesn't become like pixelated. I've gotten a lot of questions in my workshops this past week about how to avoid pixelation, and a lot of it has to do with the project or the file size. So if you're putting like, a 1080 by 1080 on like a 10,000 by 10,000 project, it's it's not gonna look very good when you blow it up like that. Evan says team ramen. Ariana says I love them both. Yes, they're so good. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. We can just download it as is, as PNG. Boom, here we go. We'll do the solid color, and then we're gonna do a transparent after that. I mean, clearly I practiced this stream before doing it to make sure things are working, but it's all good. And then we're gonna download it again, PNG, transparent, so that we only get the white. And yes, I am not going to name the files like how I do not name my layers. Oop. Okay, so this is pretty good for the logo. And now we're going to move on and make a business card. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. So we're going to take this project and we are, oh, no. We are going to duplicate it. Y'all saw I was just about to just overwrite my project. Who am I? We're better than that. We're better than that. So we're going to duplicate it. And we're going to name this one business card. Okay. And then just going to let it duplicate it. Now we're going to edit it. Okay, cool. And now we're going to resize to business card. And for business cards, I believe from the last stream that we did, it was in inches. I don't know in pixels, but it is 3 by 2 inches for the typical business card. If I am wrong, please let me know. Okay, so we have the new canvas here, and it kind of messed with the colors, but super easy. We'll just click here, and then current palette, the red is already saved. Boom, there you go. And for the logo, I feel, oh, wait a minute. I skipped a step. Oh my gosh. Sorry, y'all. It is Friday. Let's go back. Let's build the brand kit. I mean, I made it here already, but so I just uploaded the logo and I did the white logo and then I added the colors. Super easy. If you're watching the stream or watching the replay for the first time, I do have a video on a previous masterclass on how to build a brand kit. So go ahead and check that out on the YouTube channel. It is all there. We have the fonts. We have everything already preset. So I won't bore y'all in the masterclass with it. What? No file names. Just for the stream, okay? Just for the stream, because I make a lot of assets for stream. Best believe a lot of them say my project. Okay, so now that we went through that and we bridged that gap, we could just go ahead and get rid of this because we already have the logo already in. So to change the brand kit, or if you're not seeing the logos, double check the brand kit, make sure you switch your brand and click the one you want so the assets will show up. Cool. And then we have the logo. So we have the primary logo and then the text logo. And now we have this white one, which I also forgot. This is the old version. So it has, my first version had the slogan on it, but the new one, as you saw, we do not have it. So we're going back again. And we're going to update it really quick. Oh my goodness. I was like semi-prepared, but also not. Okay, let's delete this and put in the new one. This one. Lucky Ramen 1. And then Lucky Ramen 2. And then we'll switch this to primary. And then we're going to delete this one with the slogan at the bottom because I decided, as you saw, that text was too small to appear on a logo. Okay, let's delete it. Sweet. Okay, now let's proceed. Let's refresh, make sure it did the save. This auto saves, right? Yes, it does. Okay. So we're going in here. We have the logos. Oh, we're back to the original brand. Switch it. Lucky Ramen. And then now we can put the logo. Boom, here we go. So here's one way of doing it. For business cards, like some folks like to just put the logo, like pop it in the corner and then put the info, which we will do. We were going to add the text. And we'll just put it off to the side. We're gonna stick with the Harmon text. But let's say Katrina Torrijos Ramen Extraordinaire. Sounds legit. And then email Katrina at luckyramen.com. My phone number is 123-456-7890. Okay. Wow, this text is humongous. I'm just gonna bring that down a little bit and then make sure everything is on one line. And we're gonna change the font over here. We're gonna look up Harmon. Everything looks so good. And then let's adjust the line spacing like so. Cool. And then we're actually going to add a highlight because I kind of want to separate, you know, my name from like the rest of the text, because right now everything just looks like one thing, you know. I kind of want it to, you know, add a little bit of variation here. So we're going to make this text all black so that my name is just white, and then we're actually going to change the font to something a little bit more low key. Like, let's see, do we have anything? I'm looking for like a basic font is basically what I'm trying to say. Something like that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so, or, no, we can do something a little bit more fancy. Let's see. Do we have, like, Futura? Is that a font in here? Futura, yes. Here we go. Let's do they have a regular medium? Yeah, that looks kind of cute. I'm into it. Okay. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to make the font a little bit bigger. And then, you know, some folks will just like leave it at that, right? But I feel for my personal taste, I feel like, you know, there's so much like extra space. I'm all about filling up a lot of like dead space. I'm very much a maximalist in that way. And I know some folks that, you know, they love the negative space. It's, you know, easy to read. Totally fine. But here's another way to still be on brand, but also use your logo in a little bit of a creative way. So it's like a little bit different. So we're just going to get rid of that logo, and we're going to actually do the same, like bring everything back. So we had Lucky Cat, right? Lucky Cat shape. Where's our cute little cat? There you go. And then we had the basic shape, right? The circle. And then we had Lucky Ramen, but we will do that later. So we're going to take out the fill of the circle. And for the border, we're going to make sure we have the same shade of white. And then let's move the text out of the way. Okay. And then we're going to, I kind of want to do like a half circle situation. So like we'll still have the logo, but instead of it just being just slapped on the page like this, I kind of want it to be like off to the side a little bit. Like a little bit of a peekaboo moment. And then we're going to put the cat here. And then we're going to, you know, since it's like kind of waving high, like, hello, we're going to make it peek out a little bit too. Like, hey, hi, it's me. Buy from my small business ramen kit, please. Ooh, okay, it's so cute. Okay. Just gonna make the circle a little bit smaller, a little bit more snug for a cat. The cat a little bit more. Oh, I'm selecting the wrong layers. And then the circle will be here. And then we're just going to make sure the circle is like roughly the same thickness as the cat. Cool. Okay. So now we're going to select this text, and I want to keep the font And also I'm like a little bit lazy, so we're just going to duplicate it and then delete everything except the top line. So we're going to delete the highlight, and then we're just going to get rid of the text and say lucky. Gotta burp. Ramen. And we're going to add the same circle-y shape. And then this time we're going to put the Lucky Ramen name kind of like right here. A little bit tilted with the rest of the logo. I feel like this is a cute way to, like, you know, add a little bit of variation to your logo, but also, you know, still utilize it. Like, it's still like recognizable, and it's not too like variated where it's, you know, the logo just doesn't look the same. Okay, so now we're going to add in, we're going to do a little bit of a hack. So as you can see, the letters and stuff do not match up with the circle. Oop. And I believe that without making the font super big to like fit around the circle, we're going to do the highlight hack. So what you have to do is create a new highlight, and then we're going to make this, we're going to do like white dots right now, but we're going to add a space and then dots on either side to kind of like stretch out the circle shape. So if you could see, the more dots I make, the less steep of a curve the text makes, if that makes sense. So you kind of have to like mess with it a little bit to see like how many dots are will fit, and then all you have to do is go back. Oh, did it save? Oh man, it didn't save. God dang it. So we're gonna do this. Don't do what I did. Highlight. Gonna take this out. Gonna continue with the white dots. And then actually, let's make this Harmon as well, just so we have some consistency. Oh, that's not Harmon. Harmon. Why am I having a hard time spelling this font? It's because it's not Open Sans, you know? Okay, so let's get rid of it, and then now it should show up. There you go. And then from there, we can just rotate the words, and we can kind of see how many dots we need, or spaces. Some people use the spaces. So we're going to do something like that. Okay, it needs a little bit more. We're really stretching out this word just a bit. So it'll come out just like that. Okay, maybe like a couple more. Yeah, okay. And then so now when you're done, all you have to do is go to back to highlight, and then we're going to change this to the same color as the background, and then just select the dots so that they like disappear. Just like that. And then now we can resize the font and adjust it without having to like blow up the letters and stuff, just to make it match the same angle as the circle. Cool. So there you go. We have that. And then from there, we can just add the text here. And then if we wanted to, we could also add like a border or something like that. But, you know, business cards are supposed to be, you know, like rather simple, rather like, you know, just having the necessary info. Maybe you can add a QR code to the menu or something like that. But here's the business card. And then when you're done, hit the download, PNG, solid color, boom. Lucky Ramen business card. Okay, so next, now what we need for our, what's it called? Our little ramen brand is we need a menu. So let's go ahead and create a cute little like ramen menu. So backing out of this again, we're going to duplicate the project. I've never made a menu before, so I'm a little bit nervous. And duplicate. Let's go. Let's do ramen menu. And then we're going to let it go ahead. And once it's done, we're going to click on the project so that we have basically a lot of the branding still in place. And then we're just going to one-click resize. And let's do a letter. Right? A letter size. Yeah. Okay. Let's go for it. Okay. So we have all of this. Let's go ahead and get rid of this scuffed logo. And now we are starting from scratch. Okay. So we are going to first let's add the logo that we made. Oh, we need to switch the brand kit. So every time you start a new project, it goes to your default or primary brand. So remember to switch it if you're managing multiple brands. And then we're going to click the white logo. We will put it in this corner right here. And then we will mess with it later on the side. But I figured let's get the branding part out of the way. Let's start with the text. So let's go ahead and add some text. And we're going to make this the font, the main font we're using. Harmon. Sans regular. Perfect. And then we're going to say like ramen menu. Something like that. Okay. Gonna make this the same. White. Hi, Wade. Hi, Sam. Welcome to the stream. We are making a menu for our fictional mom and pop ramen store brand thing. We make take home ramen kits. Similar to like folks who bake cookies and brownies and stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Okay, ramen menu. Now we add another text. Since we use Futura as the secondary text in the business card, we'll stick with the same thing. Let's see. Medium? Maybe we can go a little bit heavier. Let's do heavy. See what that looks like. Okay, no, let's do medium because it kind of matches the same weight as the other one. Okay. There you go. This looks pretty good. We're going to bring it down here. And then let's create some items. So we can do like, what are some of your favorite like ramen types? Let's add it. Let's do like 5. So I'm thinking like the classic like shoyu ramen. It's pretty good. Shoyu ramen. Tonkatsu is really good. Tonkatsu ramen. Is it redundant to put ramen at the end of all of these? We could let's do shoyu pork or something. We gotta have like vegetarian, and then maybe like a miso. Miso sounds good. Oh my gosh, I did not have breakfast yet, y'all. I am torturing myself. And then what else? Maybe like a kimchi. That sounds good. Kimchi. We gotta have a spicy one. Spicy kimchi. Oh, perfect. Okay, and we're gonna left justify all of this. Ramen menu, and then let's actually do all of this, and let's make do we need prices? I think we need prices. Same. What is breakfast anyways? Yes, Carmela. Oh my gosh. What is breakfast? Let's actually put ramen. or oops, my bad. Get rid of that. Let's put the price here. So like we can just have like one set price for everything. So we put like, let's make it like real affordable. We're an affordable ramen brand. $8. Unheard of. I love it. Okay, cool. So we have this. Oh, and then we need another piece of text that says no substitutions because we could have substitutions. Actually, no, that's fine. No. Yeah. As a business owner, I am going to allow substitutions. A lot of ramen places sometimes don't allow substitutions because things are like already pre-made. But you know what? We are making a kit so folks can sub in ingredients or whatever as they please. Executive decision. Okay, so now we need to jazz it up a bit. It's a bit, it's a little flat, you know? So let's add in, let's sneak in some like background images. So let's go into shapes and let's bring back our mascot, our lucky cat. Lucky cat. And let's go click on this. Ooh, so cute. What are we making here? We are making a whole ramen brand for our fictional small mom and pop ramen shop where we sell take home ramen kits for folks. We have a whole backstory. So far we've done a logo, we've done a business card, and now we are working on our menu. I'm so excited. Okay, so here we go. Let's sneak in our little cat. And our mascot is the little lucky cat. And then let's do like maybe like some chopsticks. Let's do this one. These are cute. Actually, wait, these look like pencils. Yeah, let's keep it. Okay. Let's do that. And we're going to turn down the opacity. Wait, what was it for this one? 9. We're going to make sure it's consistent. So that it just becomes part of the background. And we're actually going to flip it as well. So the chopsticks are pointing upward. Ooh, I really like the black stroke on the cat. Oh, yes, the black stroke on the cat is beautiful, especially in contrast with the red. Ooh, is nice. I cannot edit my logo as if it's a design asset, but that's what I should have done. I should have made a black version of the logo. Noted for next class. Okay, so we have this, and then now we're going to go into photos, actually, and look up some ramen, like, the menu's cool and all like this, but people want to see the food. So let's look for a really good ramen photo. Oh my gosh, here we go. This is the one. Look at this. Look at this ramen bowl. Oh my goodness, so good. So we're just gonna rip off the background just by hitting remove background, and let's see. Will it erase? Yes, it will. Sweet. Okay, so I'm so glad. I was worried about the black napkin, but we are all good here. So we're just going to put this ramen bowl in the bottom corner. Ooh. I'm getting hungry, y'all. It looks so good. Okay. I feel like I do that a lot on stream, especially these past few days. I've just been making myself super hungry, making projects on food. We have our little logo right here. So cute. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. So now we can all we have to do is just download it. PNG, solid color. And now we have our menu. And you can also one-click resize this into like a social post or something that you want. It's so easy. So easy to use Express. Okay, so for our last project that we're going to make, we need some stickers, something to put on like our little like take home bowls or something. So we're actually gonna go back to the home page. We're gonna duplicate the logo that we have here. And we're gonna make a sticker. Okay, so we're gonna not download, duplicate. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yes, thank you. And now this will be a sticker. Oh, that's not how you spell sticker. Sticker. That was hand placement on your keyboard is very important. So we're just gonna click on the project, and now we are here. We are back into the square thing. So now to make a sticker, there are a couple of things that we do need to change. Like we can't have if we wanted to make this whole thing a sticker, like the square, this would be totally fine. But I want to do like the circle sticker, have that be the shape. So we're going to just make this a little smaller, put off to the side a bit. And then we're going to actually make this into, make this into the main sticker shape. So we're going to just stretch it out like this, and then we're gonna add in the fill, so that the inside will be the nice red color. And then so that we don't get confused, we're gonna change this background color to like a gray or something. So we know. So we just have a reminder like, hey, this is where the sticker ends. Okay, so now we're gonna put the cat in the middle, and then we're gonna put Lucky Ramen inside, but we need to put it on the top layer like such. And we're just going to mess around with the placement until it's like roughly the same angle as the circle. Okay, and then as you can see, the angle is a little bit off, so we're gonna do the little dot trick, the highlight trick that I told y'all. Is also an option to export and import these Express files onto Photoshop or Illustrator if you want to add more oomph and go even further with the design. So with Express, it does It does sync with your CC libraries. So all you have to do is for the individual assets, you can't really edit them into Photoshop or Illustrator, mostly because the only export options here is PNG, JPG, and PDF. So you can definitely export it as like a transparent PNG and put it onto a Photoshop or Illustrator files through CC libraries. And then same thing in reverse. So if you make something on Photoshop or Illustrator and want to make like a quick social post or something, all you have to do is just export the project into PNG, and then you can open it in Express. So right now it's only taking PNGs, but that is a great suggestion if we can still make these elements editable in the Pro Tools, because that would be super awesome. So yeah. So going into the highlighting trick again, we're going to do the same thing. Just going to add a couple dots. I don't think we need like 50 like what we did last time, but we're just going to do a couple. Oh, I think that's all is this all we need? No, we needed a couple. So we do dot dot space. Okay, maybe like one more. I am just eyeballing. Oh, okay, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, so now we're going to change the color to red, and we're going to click on the part we want highlighted. And then boom, those are gone. And then let's click out. It looks so good. And then from there, we'll just make it a little bit bigger. Oh, I messed up. I messed up. I should have resized it first, but that's fine. We could just delete some dots. Easy. Okay. Got this. This is the part that takes a lot of concentration. Wait, am I making it worse? Am I supposed to be adding dots? I feel like the angle's getting wider. I'm like squinting real hard. Okay. I'm concentrating. A major concentration happening. Okay. Wait, did I even need to do this? Hold on. I hate myself. Did I even need to do this? Did we have to do this? I feel like it was a bit fun. I honestly can't remember. Oh yeah, we definitely needed to do it. I think? No. I think we were fine. We were fine. Whew. Okay, I may just do an extra step for no reason, but just a nice refresher of the dot trick with the highlight if you need to adjust the angle of the curve effect. Okay, so here is our sticker. Understood. Thank you. You're welcome, Carmela. Okay, so here's our sticker. Now we're just going to download this as a PNG. And then we're going to do transparent. And what it will do is it'll take out the background layer. So that's why we took out the red from it and put the fill inside the shape. So boom, sticker. And we're saving it. Perfect. And then now we're going to test out the sticker and let's make a fun little like mock-up. Another thing, this is also my first time making a mock-up on stream. So let's give it a go. So we have okay, we're just going to stick with this canvas and then we're going to add in, wait, did I mess up again? Oh my gosh. Wait. No, I didn't. Where's the sticker? Here's sticker 1. Here we go. We'll put that there. Okay. We'll have it off to this corner. Okay, scooting the window back. Okay, scooting the window back. Y'all didn't see anything. Okay, so we have photos and then let's go look up like a to-go like soup container or something like that. Let's see. How will there be a stock photo for this? I think the text should be a little rotated right, maybe. Oh, probably. You're probably correct. Okay, let's see. We have a bunch of soup containers here. I think this one, I feel like since, we don't have the power to like skew the design or, like change the, the angle of it. I would say if you're trying to make like a super easy mock-up, or if you're a beginner designer and you're not really good at making mock-ups, I feel like this is a great way to do it. So we'd have this nice soup container and for this, especially if you're trying to make a mock-up in Express, try and find things that are like faced on and not so much angled, so that it'll look a bit realistic. So we're gonna take that and we're going to drag the sticker we just made and we're just going to drag it into Express, and you can see the overlay. You can take a PNG, JPG, or JPEG into your project. So we're just going to drop it in there and there's our little sticker. And then so now you can just preview what your sticker will look like on the product. Wow. I like it. And then, let's see. Okay, wait. I don't know what blend mode is going to do. So let's see. Oh, it made it into like a print, like a little stamp. No way. Okay, this part I did not test out on stream. So I'm genuinely, oh my gosh. So you can be like, here's what it is with a sticker. And then here's what it looks like when printed. Oh my God. Sorry, I am amusing myself. I'm surprised how many soup container images there are. Yeah, for sure. So like if you even just put like, soup containers, or if you go like to-go containers, there are a bunch of like blank ones where you can put stuff on. They even have to-go cups. So if you have like a coffee brand or something, they have these fun like mock-ups and stuff that you could totally use. And then what else do they have? Like, what happens if we just put mock up? I wonder if they have like some blank images. They do. So you can have hats. Oh my gosh. Merch. Do we have Lucky Ramen merch, paper, tags and stuff? And you know, a lot of these are like head on. So like with these designs, you can add them to these mock-ups without having to worry about, you know, making it look realistic, or if like the stock photo is like angled differently or something like that. Oh my gosh, wait, can we make a Lucky Ramen hat? Hold on. Okay, we have the soup container. Oh my gosh, wait, I kind of want to see. Now we're going off script here. Now we have this. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the blend mode, right? I think. Does it work? Will it work? I mean, normal, we have like, we could put, this could be like a little patch. How cute. We could put it here. Oh my gosh. Merch. This is awesome. I did not practice this. What does screen do? Oh, screen works, right? Yeah, screen makes it a little bit bright. Oh, wait. Yeah. Screen makes it a little bit brighter. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Let's look at the sweater. Let's see if the sweater works. I'm getting way too excited. Oh! Sorry. Oh my gosh. So cool. I could just put like the logo here. Or like if you want like the logo big on the sweater, you can send like this to like your printer and be like, I want it to look like this, and then submit like the logo file or something like that to them. And then this is wild. And then as you saw, it kind of disappears on the side. So if we wanted a little sleeve pattern, you know, oh my gosh, you could put like, oh, I want this design, but I want it on the sleeve like a patch. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so cool. Let's see what else. Let's see what else we could do. Soup containers. We have stationery, different hats. Oh, what does it look like on a white hat? I am super intrigued by this. Where's the hat? Here we go. Let's test it out on the white hat. So since this is screen, it'll look like this, which means we need to switch to the multiply blend mode. And there you go. Lucky cat or Lucky Ramen on a white hat. This is so cool. Okay. Nice. Oh my gosh, they also have jars, billboards, laptops. There's so many different like mock-up things you can make. Wow. I am super impressed, if I'm going to be very, very honest. Okay, what else? Let me see. I think this is pretty much it for the brand kit. I feel like this went really well. So what did we do? We literally made a logo from scratch, and then we turned it into a brand kit, and then we made a business card, and then we made a menu, and then we made a sticker for our containers, which ended up turning into merch. We did a lot this stream, so give yourselves a pat on the back for sitting through this entire class. Y'all are troopers, and I hope y'all got so much inspiration and had fun on stream with me today, and that you got value from today's masterclass. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to myself or the community on the Creative Cloud Express or the Adobe Express Facebook group and Discord server. I'm also on social. Feel free to follow me and connect with me on there. And also don't forget about applying to the Co-Create Small Business Program on TikTok. You have quite a bit of time to enter, so get those entries in ASAP. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the Adobe Express YouTube channel for more content and live streams just like this. And most importantly, thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you in the next stream. All right. Have a good weekend, y'all. Bye-bye.